guys, welcome to my channel. So in this vlog today, I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me. We're gonna hit up some stores and then you guys even get a little cooking lesson. So if you are new here, hello, my name is Keshante Chantel, and if you have been here before, hey girl, hey. But without further ado, I don't want to make this long and drawn out. Let's get straight into the tutorial. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. So it's early in the morning. I'll be looking like a wild child in the morning. But yeah, so I'm just gonna brush my hair and pull it in a ponytail. So I'm gonna try this. This is the Eden Body Works. I've never used it before, so I'm gonna try a little bit of it. I don't really like edge control too much because it breaks off my edges. Plus, I'm so used to wearing wigs that I don't really need to use edge control. I feel like after a while on my hair, it gets like gummy or, ow, sticky. Alright, so this is the only thing besides the Dr. Bronner's Castile Baby Soap that does not burn my skin. I'm going to be cleansing my skin with Alfredo, and it basically looks like this. I do have a Clarisonic as well, but I don't really use it as much. So I'm just going to wet my skin a little bit. And then just like a toothbrush, I like to dip my Foreo in the water. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this cleanser, and you can find this at Sally's. From my understanding, you can get it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. So I'm going to use the Nivea Creme. It's one of the only moisturizers that doesn't aggravate my skin. And as you can see, like I have, oh my gosh, I have really sensitive skin. I spoke this cleanser up, but could be because I hadn't used it in a while and I was using the Dr. Bronner's. But as you can see, like my skin is red, so a little bit of this goes along. So real quick, I just wanted to show you guys my cereal. My cereal dispensers, they are super cute. I got them from Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description below if you guys want to purchase, but they are so cute. And I like to start my morning off by lighting some candles, so that is what I'm going to do. I got this really cute candle holder. I feel like I showed you guys, but I got it off Amazon. So just basically, it's electrical. You charge it and just basically flip the switch on it upwards, and it has the battery life indicator. So I have more than enough charge on here. And then From Amazon is here right before I'm getting ready to leave. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what I got. Ooh. So let's see. Okay. Make sure nothing is broken. So I got the oven tea. It's a LED teapot. So I'm kind of excited because it's so super cute. So cute. Can't wait to use it. And then I also got a frother for my Keurig. So yeah, that's what I got. All right, guys, so this is one of my most favorite places to shop for Asian spices, food. And this aisle right here is just an aisle full of ramen. So they have all different kinds, chicken, pork, fish, you name it, they got it. So I typically get my ramen from here. I also get a lot of my spices from here. So as you can see, they have everything. So I definitely recommend coming here if you don't want to get your stuff from a regular market. You can get it authentic here. And then they also have like their candy and sweets aisle. And so yeah, you can find everything from the high chew candies, all different things. This is like your vegetables. Everything is fresh here. So all right, guys, so we just pulled up to Burlington and we're gonna walk in. I just kind of want to look and see if they had any new stuff for the house because, well, I don't know, I just kind of want to add some more pieces to my bedroom. And I also there's a little space in my dining room that I kind of want to add stuff to, and so we are just gonna go ahead and go inside. Okay, so like I said, I'm supposed to be shopping for house stuff, but we gonna see. This is really pretty. Oh, now these are super pretty. These have rhinestones kind of accented in them. And you get two for $16. I don't think that's a bad price. This is really pretty. Now these are really pretty. I think I'm gonna get this. See how that sparkles? I think I'm gonna get this versus this. I like this. That's it. I don't really see anything else that I want. So I'm trying to think of what other stores I want to go to. Oh, they have syrups in here. Let me go look at that. I never could find the good. I've heard mixed reviews about the Skinny Girl syrups, so I haven't brought any of those because I've heard more people say they're nasty than anything. All right, guys, so I just made it home after a long day out. After I went to Burlington, I went to go pick up a birthday gift for someone, so I didn't really vlog that because she is subscribed to my channel and I didn't want her to see it before I gave it to her. And then I went to, of course, Walmart, but I didn't vlog that because it was just, I mean, you know how going in Walmart is. I did want to show you guys what I got from Burlington. So, of course, you guys saw I got these pillows. Very, very plush. And they have, like, the sparkle tinsel in it. So, I got those. I've been seeing these glasses all over social media and I wanted them. So these are the double wall glasses. They were $9.99 for two. And yeah, so I got this for when I make coffee. So whether my tea, coffee, or iced coffee. And then I got these. They were on clearance for $4.99. So it's basically a set of 10 storage containers and they come with the lid. So yeah, these were $4.99. I just couldn't beat that. And then I did get 2 sets of Studio Cuisine spoons. So they were $3.99 a piece. I got tablespoon, teaspoon. Yeah, so I just felt like that was such a great deal. And I did go, as you guys saw, to the Asian food store. And I wanted another bowl, so I can get into it. So I got this beautiful bowl. It was $7.99. Super, super cute. So I could eat cereal, ramen, all of that with that. And then I also got the matching soup spoon. So I don't know. I'm just such a fan of Asian culture. I do my best to appreciate the culture and not appropriate it. So, and then I did pick up these, they're shrimp chips. I've never had them before. I'm actually gonna try them right now because I'm getting ready to cook and I am hungry. Jeez. They don't really smell like anything. So we're gonna see. They don't really taste like anything. I mean, I get a little bit of a fishy flavor, but it's not bad. It's not bad. So yeah, I'm going to, and then I got some more lumpia wraps. So That's it. And then I got groceries from Walmart, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. But I am going to jump into cooking. I am gonna make some Alfredo. So this is basically all that you do. I got it in there, and now I'm gonna turn it on. It's going to heat up, and then I'm gonna make myself some hot tea because, well, I don't know if you guys heard, but my nose is running. Could be sinuses, but I don't know. I was coughing and stuff. From scratch. So I start off with garlic and unsalted sweet cream butter in the pan, and just basically, you know, you should stir it, but I like to just kind of shift mine in the pan a little bit, and then I'll do that with it. So after you do the garlic and the butter, you want to put about a teaspoon of flour in the pot, and just, you don't want it to get brown, but you want to stir it until it kind of makes a roux, and then you want to go in with about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. This is what I love about these double insulated glasses. So it is made of glass, however, this is popping. My hand is not getting burned. I did add a little bit of lemon and some more honey. All right, so the biggest thing is you want to continuously stir this because you don't want the flour or anything to stick. And then once it becomes thick and the whipping cream starts to boil, then we can add our Parmesan cheese. I was like, what the hell is that on my stove? They're gonna think I'm cooking with a dirty stove, but it was just like a piece of the noodle from out the box that got burned. So yeah, I am waiting for that to come to a boil. And then I got 3 bags. You don't have to put this much cheese. I may or may not add all of it, but I got 3 bags of the Great Value Parmesan. One thing that I learned about this specific recipe, because this is supposed to be a dupe for the Olive Garden Alfredo, is that if your roux or your mixture gets a little bit too thick, then to go in and pretty much just add more milk. Of course, I use the Horizon. It's the only milk that my stomach can tolerate. Bet you guys didn't even know that I'm lactose intolerant. However, I love dairy, and that's the one thing that I just, even though it makes me sick, I just refuse to give it up. I can't. All right, so do you see how that is thick? So now we can go in and start adding our Parmesan. All right, so in no particular form and fashion, I just dumped the whole first bag in, and we're just gonna give it a stir. And of course, for me, this is a little thick, so you can either add more milk or you can add more milk or add more whipping cream, but I would prefer to say add more milk because it will thin it out so that it isn't so thick. All right, so I'm confident I'm not going to use 3 bags of cheese. It's just not happening. But I will use a bag and a half, and then I'm gonna go in and add salt and pepper to it because I don't want y'all to be like, she ain't seasoned her food. All right, so I have already put the salt and pepper. When it comes to the measurements of seasoning, I mean, basically, I season it until my ancestors tell me to stop. I mean, I don't really have a specific measurement for this. Just make sure you season it to taste. While my noodles are still cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and pop my breadsticks in the oven. And then I am finished with my tea. I might have wine with my dinner tonight. I don't know, maybe. I just know that I started a new anime called Inuyasha and I love it. One thing about me in anime, it has to pretty much capture my heart. Like, it has to be like an amazing storyline, and I don't know, it has to capture my attention, because if you're an anime watcher, you know within the first couple episodes whether it's going to be a hit or miss, and that's just how I am. If I don't like it, I'm moving on to something else. All right, guys, so what we're going to do now is just stir our noodles into the mixture. Right, so I opted out of the wine and the bread, and I am just basically going to eat my food, and I'm just going to show you what it looked like, or what it looks like. All right, so this is basically it. I'm going to watch my show, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I will see you guys in my next